infrastructure and campus facility provided by the college. Also, the supportive nature of the staff and the teachers are highly qualified. Along with an excellent lab facilities and ample number of books in a library, we are provided with an excellent teaching faculties which are certified from the renowned research organizations of our country.
There are many workshops conducted in a college, and recently I attended this workshop on Bluebotics. It was very cool. I learned how to control the robot using my Bluetooth device, which is in our cell phones usually, and it was very exciting, and I'm looking forward for other workshops.
Memorable moments in college, but definitely I had the one which was so special for me. The one which I had in HP training. I secured the first position in it, and for the first time I had fun while learning something new. It was definitely special and very special for me.
Well, for me, the best part of my college is the college canteen. We have chain restaurant, Indian coffee house, and that's the place where we hang out, and it feels great to be the part of Shriram.
The best thing which I like about Shriram Group is the academic excellence. They strive for academic excellence. Every single person who's working in Shriram Group is working for making it an academic excellent institution. In terms of infrastructure, this 50 acres, more than 50 acres of the campus is fully Wi-Fi enabled.
जब स्पोर्ट्स टीचर के लिए मेरे को यहाँ अपॉइंट किया गया आज से 6 साल पहले, तो मैं ये सोच रहा था कि इंजीनियरिंग कॉलेज में स्पोर्ट्स की क्या अपॉर्चुनिटी है, और शायद कॉलेज मैनेजमेंट का विज़न बहुत अच्छा था। आज हम 6 साल बाद इसी स्थिति में हैं कि हम लगातार पिछले 6 साल से इंटर कॉलेज, इंटर यूनिवर्सिटी और उसके बाद नेशनल इवेंट्स जीतते आ रहे हैं।
Talk about important areas of any institution. These are counseling, training placement, teaching, and various extracurricular activities. Shriram Group provides various opportunities to work on all these areas.
In this era of LPG, that is liberalization, privatization and globalization, if we talk about this IT industry, then the battle for every single pie, it becomes much more fierce. IT industry want those who are technically good and who can express themselves in the best possible way. So we here at Shriram Group of Institutions, we teach them technical subjects thoroughly, and also we train them so that they can become well equipped to the industry standards.
Shriram Group is the first in the city to realize its corporate social responsibility. And as a result of that, it has come up with a group called ARAM. ARAM is an initiative where we actually deliver professionals who are much aware of their social responsibilities also.
स्थापना वर्ष 2001 से ही जो एक छोटे से पौधे के रूप में ये संस्था रोपी गई थी, आज एक विशालकाय वटवृक्ष की तरह विस्तृत हो चुकी है। इस संस्था में आज लगभग 7,000 से ऊपर छात्र विभिन्न निकायों में अध्ययन कर रहे हैं।
Our college welcomes different multinational companies, which allows our students to come up with their potential in different technical fields, and this is what differentiates our college from the rest of the other colleges in the city.
Hello, I am Jasmeet Kaur Kapoor and I am pursuing MBA from Shri Ram Institute of Management, Jabalpur. Recently, I got selected in Zoid Research Company, and I would like to give the complete credit to my faculty members and the training sessions which we get here, because it is because all of such things that before completing my MBA, I have 2 offer letters from 2 companies, and I hope before completing I'll get many more opportunities. Thank you.
I'm Akash Wane and I'm placed in Infosys.
Hi, my name is Apurva and I'm selected in Infosys.
Hi, my name is Shivam Susdeva and I'm placed in Infosys.
Hi, my name is Anupam Mishra and I've been placed in Exaware.
Hi, this is Gurpreet Singh. I'm selected in Infosys as well as Tech Mahindra.
Hi, my name is Shivangi Dimole. I am placed in Infosys.
Thank you, Shriram Group, for giving me the opportunity to utilize and explore my potential in different multinational companies. I also thank you for making me enthusiastic and encouraging me in different fields of sports and music, along with excellence in education and all-around development, and for making me multi-talented.
Hello, my name is Mohammad Amiruddin. I have chosen Shri Ram Institute of Technology because it provides a healthy, completely ragging-free atmosphere with cooperative seniors. It gives a high number of selections in defense and a wide variety of extracurricular activities. So why not choose Shri Ram?